The concept of the wounded feminine refers to the emotional and psychological scars that many women may experience as a result of societal pressures, trauma, or other life experiences. Healing the wounded feminine can be a complex and deeply personal process, but here are some steps that may be helpful to you. Step 1, acknowledge and accept your pain. The first step in healing the wounded feminine is to acknowledge and accept that you are, in fact, experiencing pain. Know that it is okay to feel hurt, sad, angry, or any other emotions that come up. Step 2, seek support. Healing is a difficult journey, and having a support system is essential. Reach out to a spiritual or religious advisor, a family member or close friend, or a therapist who can provide emotional support and guidance. Step 3, cultivate self-love, self-compassion, and a self-care practice. Treat yourself with the same kindness, respect, and love that you would offer to a close friend or family member. Practice self-care and prioritize activities that bring you joy and help you feel good. Step 4, connect with your feminine energy. Reconnecting with your feminine energy is a powerful way to heal the wounded feminine. This will involve self-care rituals, exploring your creativity, playing in makeup, playing dress up, spending time in nature, and dancing, moving your energy throughout your body are all activities that will help you reconnect with your feminine energy. In my opinion, addressing the past trauma is going to be the most important step that we talk about today, because in order to heal, you must process, accept, and then release the trauma in order to heal. So this may involve seeking professional help, depending on what it is you're processing and your emotions and how you process through your emotions. So make sure as you're doing this work, you have help and creating a plan that will allow you to heal and not allow you to go further down the experience of trauma and further damaging the wounded feminine. I hope these tips were helpful to you. Share your experience in the comments below. You never know who you might be able to help.